Another dark night, as cold and dark as Abigail's property leads. As an investor, it was a desperate move stepping in this office.
Are you Skip Tracy?
That's what it says on my name tag. What can I do for you? Sit down.
I've been looking for a man.
Well, you found one.
No, a man that owns this house I want to buy.
What do you know about this man?
He's just, I don't know anything. He just owns this house that I want to buy.
How much money do you have?
How much money will it take to find him?
I think I can help you. Yeah, I think I can help you.
And that was that. Once the deal was made, she overpaid and was now working with Skip Tracy. But you don't have to worry about how to find people. Learn all about it at emria.com.